looking like I'm feeling myself. I just hit the Heisman like I'm posted on the shelf. Cha-cha, samba, dancing like a contest. Sicko with the moves, I wish I'm well. Can you live like I did? Can you surf the wave from the trip? Keep your grip, now rock the ship. Say goodbye, love, don't move your hips. Let me see you shake it, I'm open, low in the pista. Watch me while I sway it, I won't fake it, let's go salsa. Por tiempo, por tiempo, por tiempo.
Top of the wall, baby.
Hi, hello, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Maryann Okonkwo. On this channel I make videos about productivity, lifestyle and vlogs, and also my side hustles. If that's something you're interested in, you know, then definitely consider subscribing to this family and joining by clicking the subscribe button and turning on the post notification so you'll be notified every time I have a new video up on my channel. I should probably make this face. Anyways, in today's video I always say I'm always excited about every other video, but today I am exceptionally excited because yesterday it was a really good day for me. I did like self-care and stuff. If you haven't seen the video, I'm gonna link it up so you can go watch it. That's basically me prepping and organizing for a new month. I also have my monthly reset up as well. If you want to see that, I'm gonna link that in the description box as well. So in today's video I am tempted. I don't know if I should do a full week vlog or I should just do a few days vlog, but we'll see how that goes. But today is Monday. Today is the 31st of January, the last day of January finally, and I just felt like January was just so long. If you felt the same, leave a comment down below. My skin looks really good. For deliverables, I do have to go and do my to-do list for today, actually for the whole week, and just make sure that I'm on top of everything. But all my assignments except one that is due today and another Wednesday that I haven't really done. But so the week is going to be a super busy week. On Tuesday I have my internship workshop which I have to attend, and then a couple of other things happening throughout the week, and I really want to take you guys along with me. I know that weekly vlogs are so stressful to edit, but I don't know how I'm going to make that different. Maybe start editing instead of waiting to the end of the week because the clips are just massive by the end of the week. But we'll see how that goes, and if I change my mind I'll just do a few days instead of a full week. But yeah, just wanted to put that out there. Again, if you haven't already subscribed, please do so. And then on my own personal end, I have a case that I'm supposed to analyze, so I've done that. I need to share with the team. We're meeting today at 1, so we'll be reviewing that. Then I have just one class, and then I'll start heading back home and preparing for the rest of the week. So it's a light day, but not a light day so to say, because I have all that reading to do. I've been contemplating getting a board, but I don't want to spend money and buy board, and I don't want to like just buy anything that will fill up the space. So I'm going to be doing it like this for now. We're working on a marketing project. It's a segmentation, positioning and competitive briefed project. So we kind of like with our team, if you haven't seen the video, I'm going to link it somewhere up. Did our research and found some key insights. So I just put all of that under segmentation and position because all of that consumer trends would inform our segmentation and positioning. Now for competitive analysis, we haven't quite started because I feel like competitive analysis is straightforward. We just need to look at what our competitors are doing, what are they communicating, what's their website like, what's their positioning, you know, that kind of stuff. I feel like competitive analysis is going to be pretty much straightforward, but for segmentation and positioning, you definitely need to dig a little bit deeper. So I did an interview with an Hispanic friend, well not friend, classmate. She's a huge cheese fan, and I got some insights from her, so I just put that in there. So one thing that came out strong is online shopping. I'm going to show you that real quick. The next thing I'm going to be doing, I'm going to go put on the whitening strips and make coffee, and also try and pack my food for today because I'll be leaving at 10:30 so I can be in school and meet with Janet at 11:35. Before I go though, I need to finish reading my marketing research. So once we're done with everything, I'll just take my quiz real quick and start prepping for the one due on Wednesday and prepping for my Tuesday class. My husband is downstairs. He has already started working. Hard worker, you know.
Oh, wait, what's your name again? Wayne?
Just another night, I was feeling fine. NSYNC playing bye bye bye. Then we finally kissed, I was like, oh shit. Shit. Boy, I had to try, I can't even lie. Didn't really think you'd change my mind, but what can you do? I guess I needed to. Yeah, I'm feeling really into you. It's not like I wanted to.
It looks better on my iPad because it kind of like tells me all the things that, all the deliverables for this week. So I like to use that, but if I open it on my calendar, yeah, I mean, it's pretty much the same thing though. So I just open it like this, and you see like all these deliverables. I'll transfer them into my planner and add them to my to-do list. So let's do that.
But I just wanna be with you tonight. You were like, hello, 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 and I was like, oh no, oh no, oh no. I'm used to flying solo, solo, solo. I'm in trouble now, I'm in trouble now. Now I'm singing like, ooh la 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 la, ooh la 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 la, ooh la 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 la. No, I don't.
I just finished my to-do. Even though this week is a little bit lax, I ended up like writing stuff that would also help me get prepared for next Monday.
What I feel for the first time, it feels so real.
It's currently almost oh, it's actually 10:29. I am just gonna go and start getting ready, brush my teeth. I already selected my clothes for today, so it's pretty much going to be fast.
Take a part, take a part, take a part of me. Take my heart, make it ours, we can let it be. Hold me in your arms and make me feel like I'm the only one, 'cause I just need to be with you.
I'm going to quickly have my bath. I thought this thing was charging. It's still 44%.
Tonight, you were like, hello, 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 and I was like, oh no.
Outfit of the day. I'm wearing this. I think I bought it at Target. I can't remember. My deodorant stained it as I was wearing it, so apologies. This trouser is so comfortable. It's perfect. I got this at Marshall's yesterday. If you haven't seen the vlog, click here to go watch it. And then this jacket I got at Target. I'm a huge Target Marshall's girl, so this is what the jacket looks like. It's really nice. The only thing though, oh, there's a pocket. Do you know this one? I never knew. Damn. So this is a life changer, because I'm always like struggling when I'm in the cold, but with this now it just makes better sense. I can just, yeah, so maybe I tied it too much at the back, but this is what it's looking like. I love it.
Oh no, I'm used to flying solo, solo, solo. I'm in trouble now, I'm in trouble now. Now I'm singing like, ooh la 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 la, ooh la 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 la, ooh la 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 la. Now I'm singing like, ooh la 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 la, ooh la 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 la, ooh la 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 la. Thought that it'd be fast, but it wasn't. You thought that it would last, but I didn't. Then I did it.
I thought it was recording. So yeah, I was talking about how there are these things on my, if you guys have ever experienced something similar and have ideas on how to help get it fixed, that would be appreciated. But now I'm in school, parking lot. I'm gonna start heading back, like heading to class. I have a meeting with Janet, then another meeting, then class, and then study time. I'll see you guys inside. Bye.
Yeah, I did it. I started catching feels for you. I started catching feels for you. I started catching feels for you. Now I'm singing like,
Hey.
Hey, Maryann. Yeah, we are. I've been saying this since last semester.
So is it like outing, or are we traveling to Dallas?
No, we're going out of the States. What do you mean? Yeah, no, let's go somewhere. Maybe we can go to Atlanta. Have you guys been to Atlanta?
No, I haven't.
Yeah, so I'm gonna ask Dave tomorrow in class whether, because I don't want to be that person that sends 3 emails. Now what? Because until we get the what, Chelsea?
Oh, did you guys see mine? I did upload it.
Did you get my email regarding the, I just sent it, the Word document with
Oh, let me open it. No, I did not, because I was...
He's cool.
He's crazy.
Yeah,
he is crazy. You need to focus him. Like, you need to, like, no, you're going to sit down with me right now.
No, I have a strategic marketing class with him, and he goes off on tangents. It's very fun.
That's Dave. That's Dave.
He's a cool guy, but yeah, that's me and my expectations. So whoever wants to go next.
I can go next. My name is Jeanette. I can take it off so you see me. Yes. So I'm originally from Ghana, and I have a back.
Maryann.
Yes. Hi Laura. Well, nice to meet you.
Hi, Jane.
Hi.
Maryann.
Maryann. So I'm Maryann. I am Nigerian. I recently moved to Minnesota like a year ago. I studied mass communication in my undergraduate, and right after school I immediately went into marketing because I'm very passionate about that. And I worked a little bit in ad agencies where I handled like a couple of accounts like Unilever, Lipton Ice Tea, and then finally moved on to the CPG, like the brand side at Land O'Lakes, and finally moved to tech. So right now I am in the tech marketing space, and hopefully hoping to secure a role after school in a tech company. But I do have my internship. That first meeting, I am going to be heading to my next one. Janet is here. Janet, what do you have to say to my fans?
Hi guys, subscribe, like and share.
Ooh, are you getting it? Okay, so I'm gonna start heading out. I even brought food to eat, but as it is now, I might not even be able to tailor it. Yeah, so maybe survey questions about importance of healthy ice cream. Like, you just Google it. I'm sure something will come up. Most of these things, there's nothing new under the face of the sun. I'll see you later. Bye.
But now, we can't afford to take a break like 15 days. So it is one of the time that we really live that we are living. Couplet is usually they use some advanced who haven't got a package. Okay.
If there's anything marketing related you didn't touch base on, as it is like this, you kind of scroll and see what's at the side, the right hand side.
Your voice is low. Can you speak again?
I was trying to add on.
Okay. Sorry, it's my volume.
Okay. I was trying to add on, but I couldn't think of what else to add on to imitation, because competitors could easily imitate.
Yeah, I cannot chase you, and I cannot fly. Chase you.
We can just make sure if this is okay, I can use this, but there's a better one I pulled up from online, and interestingly I can't find it, so my house people have followed me. Build.
Yeah, I cannot chase you, I cannot fly, I cannot make you, you make up your mind. You want me to prove it to you, to see what I lose. If I cannot.
Maryann, what's the name of that thing that you said when you are working in a company that is especially online, you are supposed to buy it for your mount so that it will be moving?
Mouse jiggler.
Mouse jiggler. I think it's any mouse. You just have to get a mouse for your laptop.
a LinkedIn learning video, because one of the goals that I set for this month was to do more personal development. So I have a couple of certificates that I've shortlisted that I want to do before my internship in June this year. So it turns out that the ones I kind of like did a couple of them last year, or because I was doing a laruro, I didn't pay and get my certificates. Now it seems like I have to take everything all over again, so that is so annoying. But yeah, I guess it's gonna be good refresher. I'm going to better understand like all the things that I'm currently doing now, tie them together. But yeah, I'm also thinking of doing my AMA certification as well, my what is it called, certified professional marketing certificate, PMC. So that's what I'm considering doing, and that costs $349. So hopefully when I get a customer this month, I will just save up and do that. Okay, I'm just gonna dedicate like maybe 30 more minutes and then go and have my bath and sleep and prepare for tomorrow. I have 8 a.m. class tomorrow, so I have to wake up at 6 because I'm going to be taking Uber. Our car, by the way, I don't even want to talk about it, but yeah, thank you so much for sticking around with me today and watching this up to this extent. If you enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up, like this video, share with your friends, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.